In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix the issue where your Rockstar Games Launcher is not opening or working. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Then click on Windows Security tab. From here, select Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now scroll all the way down. Here you're going to find the section of exclusions. You will need to click on that. Click on Add Exclusion, select Folder, navigate to the Rockstar Games folder which is usually located in C program files and select it. After that, click Select Folder and close the window. Check if this resolves the issue. If not, another solution is to open File Explorer. Now navigate to a C drive, head over to the folder, Programs x86 folder. Find Rockstar Games folder and rename it by adding an underscore at the beginning. You may see security message, click continue, then go to your desktop, right-click the Rockstar Games Launcher and select Run as Administrator. Wait a few seconds to see if it loads up. This should solve the problem for most users. If the launcher is not opening, another solution is to search for settings in the Start menu, open Settings window. Now, select Apps in the left-hand side. In the Installed Apps section, search for OneDrive. After it appears, click on three dots and uninstall it, as it causes compatibility issues with the Rockstar Games Launcher. After installing, try launching the Rockstar Launcher again, and that should fix the problem. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.